salamat kayo ha. It really means a lot sa family. And I'm sure, lalo-lalo na kay PRRD to know na you are always supporting him. So thank you. Mabuhay kayong lahat and God bless you all. Ever since, ito lang talaga sa buhay ko. Medyo nakita ko noon, Binoy, before that, with Ramos and Erap, na we are, a bit tolerant when it comes to government. But this is the only time that I've seen the Philippines that is so divided. And how can you live with that kung nakakadiha? Ikaw, Presidente, unya, you allow your people to suffer and even make lies. Hantot karon, imong tag-20 nga bugas, wagya po na niabot. Watay may mo, basta buang kalingkod, ginahana, gina. Pero, as I said earlier, tanaw na ako, like everybody's really putting it out there ba? Kana yung nararamdaman nyo, and how you really feel, kung anong gusto nyo direksyon para sa bansa natin. That's good. I think you should continue doing this kasi we will do the same thing. I will do the same thing. It will be not for ourselves, but it will be for the future of our children, our grandchildren, and our country. So yun na mahalaga. Maybe someday, hindi na lalaki yung mga anak natin o yung mga apo natin, iba. Maybe